Good day, guys. My name is Zenitech. Welcome to my YouTube channel. We are going to be looking at things that will building up our mindset, our knowledge on this binance application. And if it's your first time being here, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like, share, and comment on this post if you love it. Okay, so we are starting on the things that we're going to do today. We are going to be looking on our rewards. Many Binance users have been receiving rewards from Binance, but they don't know. Instead of them to redeem the Binance always reward their customers, that is, their users, with coupons, with cryptos, with cash rewards. So you have to redeem it on time to trade so that you can accumulate more profit to use it. But some people doesn't know that they have been receiving a reward. So I'm going to tell you one expo. Let me just put it one means you can earn from Binance freely. So you need to first go to your profile tag, which is at the upper side, at your left hand side. Go to your profile tag here. Wow, okay. Then you see something like task center and reward center. These are the two places you are going to be looking at. First, you need to open your task center. If you have a task, there will be a red dot there. If you have a task is one of the things that Binance used to reward its customers. So let's check whether if you have a task. First, you check if you have a task in there. Wait for it to open up. If you have a task, if you do the task there, Binance will surely reward you with coupon or with anything. Then it's all left for you to go and claim it. So you check whether if there is any task. Okay. So you see, look at the tasks. Yeah. If I was able to do it, if I was able to do all these tasks, so make at least a $10 deposit for 30 USDT cashback reward, I would have been rewarded with 30 USDT. So all these are tasks that Binance always gives to its users. I don't know how many the period, maybe it's monthly, maybe might be 2 months, but anytime you receive your task, make sure you do it and you surely be rewarded. Let's say I get a task, say log in and click to complete button on task center and get 500 BUSD. I did it and I was rewarded. So after doing it and you were rewarded, to redeem the cash, you go to your reward center. Look at your reward center, which is the second button here. Open it up. Guys, this video is going to be short, so I'll make it long so as you don't be boring. But after doing this, you go back to your Binance application and check on your applications, check on them, check on your task, check on your reward. Even if there are times that Binance reward these customers, even if they didn't do the task. Look at mine that expired. Imagine I got a lot of tasks from I got a lot of coupon from Binance, but because I wasn't knowledgeable about this, I couldn't redeem it on time. So you see, most of them expired and I didn't use it. Look at 20 USDT that I didn't use. I was pained when I saw it, so I said let me do this video so that other people will also go through it and they won't make the same mistake. So you should go to this and I believe you will make it. So if you love this video, please like, subscribe, and share to your friend. Please, my name is Zenitech once more. I'll be very happy to hear from you in the comment section. And if you are a new user in Binance and you are finding things difficult, you want me to do any video of those things, or you want me to do any video of registration and how to be verified, you can drop it in the comment section below and we'll see to it. God bless you.